traditionally when you print on fabrics, you're going to use a silicon edge system. It's sewn in. It's a sewing part of the process to finish because it's going to go into a silicon edge channel, and that's how you install these. So this is an example of it. This is the EnduraFab stretch, and it has the edges, the gaskets sewn into it, the rubber gaskets, which are going to go into a silicon edge frame system. This would normally require like a Juki or a Matic to sew it together. I don't know how to sew. I'm probably not going to learn how to sew. So for me, I can't do this. What I want is something I can print. I have lots of printers. I have lots of fabric. I have lots of durable fabric. But I don't want to sew because I don't have that in my workflow. I don't have a sewing machine here. But I still want to do this. I have a way. This is a frame system. It's the same material as the other one. This is the EnduraFab stretch. And this is a frame system by SignComp. This fabric frame system is essentially fulfills the silicon edge system, but without having to sew the gaskets in. All you have to do, and this is an edge of it here, is you tuck this all in. There's a little channel right there, and you tuck this in like almost with a credit card. And that's what puts this into this frame. And then when you're done and you want to pull it out, there's a little tab right there, and the whole thing comes back out again. This is a system that is being sold through LexJet. It's available online, one of our distributors, and this product is really cool for me. It's really cool because I don't want to sew, and I don't necessarily want to invest in that, and I know a lot of my customers who have latex printers, they want to do the textile printing, they want to print on fabric, but they don't want to necessarily invest in the whole sewing operation and somebody who can do the sewing. Maybe they send that stuff out. In this case, I don't have to send it out. Almost all of your standard frame systems are going to be like 18 by 24 or say 36 by 48, and you can get kits that exactly fit that. And then if you don't, you can always buy just the bars and trim them down yourself and make whatever custom size you want. The SignComp frame system for fabrics allows you to insert everything in here just by tucking it in, and it doesn't require any special tools. In a way, the gasket itself is contained in the channel. So all you do is take, I use a squeegee, and you just tuck the squeegee down all the way through, and then you have a nice stretched frame, and then the frame itself will just take more and more prints. So I can print image after image after image, just make it a little bit bigger, tuck it all down together, and everything looks great, and I can change it out quickly. So the frame itself stays the same, and I don't have to worry about putting the gaskets on. I think this is a revolutionary product. I think it offers front-lit frame systems for fabric for regular sort of mom-and-pop shops that don't want to go into the investment of sewing at this time, or they want to put that off for a later time. And there's a fantastic video that accompanies everything on the LexJet site, which walks you through the advantages of this as well as how you install it and everything else. So SignComp frame for durable latex textiles without the need to sew the silicon edge graphics gaskets in, and just install directly.